Wolves aren't just animals, they're strategy. A wolf pack functions like a living algorithm. No permanent ruler, no fixed hierarchy. Leadership shifts. The fastest leads the chase. The experienced guide the route. The elders protect knowledge. The injured aren't abandoned, they're supported. Every movement is coordinated. Silent signals, subtle glances, positioning without chaos. They don't dominate nature, they synchronize with it. When wolves return to ecosystems, rivers stabilize, forests regenerate, prey populations rebalance. One species, reshaping entire landscapes. This happened in Yellowstone. Remove wolves, and nature tilts.
Bring them back, and balance returns. The real genius of wolves isn't strength, it isn't speed, it's cooperation. They survive because they think as one mind, distributed across many bodies.